Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my page. So I've been a little MIA, obviously the holidays, and so been a little busy baking, cooking, but I got this awesome package in the mail right before the holidays, and I got a little excited. I was like, oh, but no, wait, let's do an unboxing. So I got an email actually from Vedder Holsters wanting me to check out one of their items. They didn't tell me what it was when they sent me the email. All they said was, we have something, we would like for you to look at it, and if you wanted to post it, please do so. So here I am. Again, made in the USA. I'm assuming it's some type of holster because they're from, again, Vedder Holsters out of Florida. So let's waste no time and see what they sent me. I hope everyone had a great holiday. For me, the holidays, they don't end until after January 6th. So I'm continuing my holiday fun. But here it is. A thank you card. What is this? What is this? Alcohol prep pad. Hello, we greatly appreciate your collaboration, your collaboration. It's a little early, guys. Newest product, the Vedder HolsterPad. Designed to make inside the waistband carry more comfortable than ever. The holster pad adheres to the back of your holster to add a cushion layer between it and your body. It can be customized to fit the size of your holster and features soft, durable materials that feel great against the skin. If you can mention the holster pad in your upcoming video, post, or short, we would greatly appreciate it. If not, please enjoy this gift from us. Because we haven't announced it yet, we'd like to wait until you post it of January 15th after then. So this isn't January 15th, this is December 30th, but I will wait until this January 15th to post it, because I obviously already ripped open the box, the envelope, and I can't redo it. Oh, okay, so it is just a pad. Very soft. I guess it would go in between my body like this, and the inside waist. This Velcro piece would go to the holster. I'm assuming this alcohol pad is for the holster, and then you add this to it so it can go inside like this. And they did ask me if I was a righty or a lefty. I said righty, so I would assume it goes like this. I don't know how you would customize it, because I guess you can cut it here. So if it's too long, these are spots right here where you're able to cut it to make it to the size that you need. Pretty cool, actually. Nice and soft, definitely cushiony, definitely will feel good against my my body from the inside with the jeans that I would wear with it, because I don't wear it. And I've seen some ladies wear it with like leggings and stuff like that, but I definitely don't do that. My gun's a little big for me to do that. It's not a 22. So I would definitely going to try it. I'll take my firearm, put it against here so I can size it appropriately. And I like the fact that you can cut it to definitely make it your own. Their logo doesn't get messed up when you do that, so that's pretty cool. I like how it has the eagle on there. And did you know that they finally made it official that the eagle is our state bird here in Connecticut after all these centuries? So that makes it even better. But yeah, this is actually pretty cool. Can't wait to actually cut it and try it out. So again, I can't post this now until after January 15th, as it's asking me here, because that's when they're going to launch it to make it to the public. So this was an awesome email that I got. I'm happy I was able to collaborate with them on this deal. This is my first one, so I'm really excited about that. And again, I'm excited to actually try this out. So give them a look out on their internet page, on their website, on their Instagram, because I've been to their Instagram page. It looks pretty cool. And look at it. Check them out. And definitely this will give you some cushion, so it's not so much friction on your body, because it's really soft. You can see how nice and cushiony it is. Again, you can cut it to size depending on your firearm. So I like that. So it's not too thick where it's going to add extra onto you, especially when you're in waist carrying. It's not going to add extra, but it's definitely enough to cushion you. So this is really, really good. I love this idea. I'm definitely going to cut it and try it out. So my next video would be me cutting it and trying it out. So stay tuned for that. But I really, really do love this. So again, Vedder Holsters, Vedder, Vedder Holsters. Check it out. This is their holster pad, and would love to do more with them. Gotta check out their site a little bit more, see what else I can purchase for my firearm, because this is great. This looks really good. All right, guys, like I said, I hope you had a great holiday. And again, my holiday keeps going into January 6th. So hope you had a great holiday, great new year coming up, and stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.